In this lecture, we will understand De Morgan's rule in set theory. So, De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule or De Morgan's theorem. There are two rules. One is about union of two sets and another is about intersection of the two sets. So we write if A and B be any two sets, or if A and B are any two sets, then we have number one, A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. And there is A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. These are two rules. So what is the first? A complement of union of two sets, that is A and B, is equal to the intersection of the complement of the two sets. Again, the complement of union of two sets is equal to the intersection of their complements. Right? Second, A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. That is, complement of intersection of the two sets is equal to the union of their complements. Right? So we prove the first rule. So write down proof. तो एक बात इसको प्रूव करने के लिए एक बात आप जानते हैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट से रिलेटेड, इफ any element x belongs to A implies that x does not belongs to A complement, or if x does not belongs to A complement implies that x belongs to A. एक तो ये जानना है. दूसरी बात, दो सेट्स को प्रूव करने के लिए क्या हम पहले प्रूव करते हैं? This set is subset of this set. Again we prove that this set is subset of this set. So we conclude that this set is equal to this set. Right? So prove. Let first prove करते हैं. Let any element x belongs to A union B complement. ये इसमें बिलोंग करता है. X belongs to A complement implies that x does not belongs to A. So x belongs to A union B complement. What does it mean? It means that X does not belong to A union B. Right? What does it mean? This implies that X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This implies that X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. This implies that X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. So what we have? Therefore, we have A union B complement is subset of A complement intersection B complement. Right? Again, what we have to prove? We have to prove that A complement intersection B complement is subset of complement of A union B. So again, we have another element Y belongs to A complement intersection B complement. It means that Y belongs to A complement and Y belongs to B complement. This implies that Y does not belong to A and B from here. This implies that Y does not belong to Y does not belong to A and Y does not belong to A. What does it mean? It means that Y does not belong to A union B. It means Y belongs to A union B complement. So from this, Y belongs to A complement intersection B complement. What we infer? We infer that Y belongs to A union B complement. So therefore we write A complement intersection B complement is subset of A union B complement. And from this and this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we conclude that A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. Proved. Again, we will prove second rule. second rule is A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. That is, complement of intersection of two sets is equal to the union of their complements. So write down proof. First we take this and we will prove that this is subset of this. Again we will take this and we will prove this is subset of this set. So take, let X belongs to A intersection B complement. X belongs to A complement implies that X does not belongs to A. तो इसके बेस पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? This implies that X does not belong to A intersection B. This implies that X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. This implies that X belongs to A complement or X belongs to B complement. This implies that X belongs to A complement union B complement. X belongs to A intersection B complement or complement of A intersection B. This implies that X belongs to A complement union B complement. So this is subset of this. A subset of this is one. Again we have Y belongs to A complement union B complement. This means that Y belongs to A complement or Y belongs to B complement. This means that from here Y does not belong to A and Y does not belong to B. What we have to prove? We have to prove this. So Y does not belong to A intersection B. Therefore, Y belongs to A intersection B complement. So this is the subset of this. Therefore, A complement union B complement is subset of A intersection B complement. This is 2. From 1 and 2, we infer that or we conclude that one and two, we have A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. इंटरसेक्शन है तो यूनियन, यूनियन यहां रहेगा तो इंटरसेक्शन. दिस इज द रूल. We can understand these rules, De Morgan's rules, by an example. So we take an example. Example. We have a universal set U as A, B, C, D, E, a set A, this is A, B, C, and a set B as B, C, D. So we can verify De Morgan rules. So first rule is, first rule of De Morgan is A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement. So we have A union B, we write A union B from this set. A union B. A union B will be A, B, C, D. A, B, C from here and B, C, D from here. So you write like this: A, B, C union B, C, D. You have A, B, C and D. This is A union B. And what is complement of A union B? Complement of A union B, this. This will be U minus this. So what will be complement of A union B? This will be E only. Element of U which is not in A union B. So this will be in the complement of A union B. So we write A union B complement as E. This is one. Again we have A complement. A complement is what? A complement is universal set minus A. So this is DE. B complement universal set minus B. This is B, C, D, so A, E. What is intersection? A intersection, A complement intersection B complement is common in these two sets. So this is E, this is 2. From 1 and 2 we conclude that a complement of A union B is equal to A complement intersection B complement. That is, from 1 and 2 we can have A union B complement equal to A complement intersection B complement, and this is E. So we see that this rule of De Morgan is correct. Similarly, we can also verify the second rule. That's all.